Long distance movers usually charge a flat fee. This isn't your local hourly rate gig. We're talking big miles, big plans, and yes, big budgets. Prices can range from $2,000 to $8,000 for a full service long distance move. Let's go through the 4 factors that affect the price the most. Let's start with the distance traveled. More miles means more money. The distance between locations is the factor that affects the price the most. The second most important factor is the weight of your stuff. The heavier the load is, the higher the cost. Movers will weigh the truck to determine the size of your load, and they also need to plan the size of the trailer based on your load size. The third factor is the additional services that you may need. On average, the packing services and packing materials can be one of the pricier supplemental services that affects the price the most. Of course, if you're moving a grand piano or fine artwork, you may expect more charges to be added to your bill. Last but not least is the season and timing. Summer is peak moving season and moving companies are busy during that time. If you can move in the off season, you might save yourself some serious cash. Remember, planning and organisation are your best friends here. The more prep you do, the smoother and cheaper your move will be. You can request in-home moving estimates, and moving consultants can come to your home and estimate your move size as well as all the supplemental services you may need. Don't forget to visit moveadvisor.com/quote to get a moving free quote today. At MoveAdvisor, we hope you have a smooth moving experience. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for crucial information for a successful move.